Boom shakalaka, why this is Bitcoin's most important divergence that no one is talking about and what it means for you. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at why this is the most important divergence for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Today, Extreme Fear 23 up from yesterday as the overall market's up 1%. Bitcoin at 16,710, Ethereum at 1209, BNB 270, XRP 38 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, Cardano 32 cents, and Polygon 88 cents. And if you want the top coins based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have S-Coin, Pax Gold, Caspa, Trust Network, and the Open Network. And you can check out token metrics for yourself, 1 week free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today still staying above the downtrend. Right now, above, well, these levels right here, right around 13,500, the peak back in June of 2019. That would be the next support level after we have bounced off of the support structure we had right there. Still below the 200 weekly moving average, still below the 280 weekly moving average, still below the $20,000 previous all-time high. So we'll kind of see what happens with Bitcoin. Now, if we take a look at this chart here, the panic euphoria model has crossed below and above negative 0.17. The S&P 500 had always been higher 12 months after such an occurrence in the past 2 decades. Every time this happened in the past 2 decades, there were these red line or the red dots. Every time after 12 months later, prices went up. And if we take a look at some polls here, this is by Titan of Crypto, which scenario is more likely? It seems that a lot of people are betting the price is going to go down a lot further before the price is going up. Now, would this be the first time in history that the masses are correct about the direction of Bitcoin? Could be interesting, certainly could. But as we can see here, everybody's betting on markets going down before they go up. Potentially might disappoint the most people possible. Right now, we're having a bullish crossover of the true strength line with the signal line. Basically, anytime it's under the 0 line here and we have a bullish cross, very good opportunity. The previous times it's happened, it went up 1,100%, 200%, 7,000%, 13,000%. All of these had been very, very good opportunities. We're having the same type of opportunity previously, 4 out of 5 times previously. That means there's a 5 out of 6% chance, which I think is like 88% chance or something like that, that it could turn out pretty good this time. As a matter of fact, 4 years, almost to the day after the 2018 bottom back here, we may witness a new bottom being confirmed in November if it doesn't go down any further. But a lot of people are betting on it going down a lot further. Right now, President of El Salvador, Nayib Bukele, saying every day, starting tomorrow, which is now today, November 18th, we're buying 1 Bitcoin every day. Now, not a bad time to do that. We've just had this cross right here. Previous times this cross happened, well, those were pretty bullish times for Bitcoin. Pretty much the bottom for Bitcoin, which brings us to this chart. Very, very interesting divergence here. Very, very important divergence. Now, TechDev says it's only one trading pair on one exchange, so take it with a grain of salt. But there's some serious Bitcoin USDT 2-week OBV divergence over on Binance. OBV leads, price follows. The last time it reached a new all-time high with divergence this strong, price made one 9 months later. You can see big divergence right here. 9 months later, new all-time high. Now, doesn't mean that it's happening right now. Well, first, I think it's important to talk about OBV because we've had this come up a lot recently. Potentially, people don't exactly know what OBV is. So OBV is on-balance volume. It measures the buying and selling pressure as a cumulative indicator that adds volume on up days and subtracts volume on down days. So when the price goes up, it adds volume. When the price goes down, it subtracts volume. When the security closes higher than the previous close, all the day's volume is considered up volume. When it closes lower, all is considered down volume. Now, if we take a look right here, we're trading in a range and the OBV is going up. So, during range trading, if the OBV is rising, accumulation may be taking place, a warning of an upward breakout. Interesting. Take note of that. A warning of an upward breakout when OBV goes up and we're trading in a range. We can see potentially we might have a very, very strong upward price movement in the near future. That's suggestive of it. Now, despite if that happens or not, converting fiat to precious Bitcoin when it's 75% down from recent all-time high is awesome. Guys, I know it's hard to remember because that was like a year ago, and in crypto land, that's like an eternity. But remember when Bitcoin was $70,000 and people were like, oh, if I only knew back when it was $20,000, oh, I totally would have bought it. Well, opportunity is here once again. Because if we take a look at this, Bitcoin cycles, sell, buy, sell, or just hodl. If we take a look right now, Bitcoin is at the CVDD line, the coin value days destroyed line. Historically been pretty much bottom lines for Bitcoin. Terminal price is much, much higher right now, above $100,000. Might be a decent time to buy, but again, that all depends on you and your circumstances. So that is all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. I love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.